Hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. Hopefully this time the camera will stay on and hopefully it's working.
It is working.
Alright, and today on the menu is Sizzling steak Thai red curry.
Wow,
Oh,
sounds good.
there we go.
And this recipe is gluten-free.
Woo woo! Looks like
That
something
looks
else free,
good.
wasn't it? Dairy free.
Dairy-free, that's...
No ice cream in it. Okay, shall I give that to you and you can tell me what to do? Because you like doing that, don't you?
Okay.
Your favourite
So,
hobby.
instructions. This is instructions for 2 people. Add the basmati rice.
This is the best matty rice. I've got basmati. And the bag open.
Why not?
We've got basmati rice. Okay, what can you do with the basmati rice?
Add the basmati rice, the lemongrass stalk, and 300 ml of cold water.
Into a pan, I presume.
Well, unless you want to empty it onto the floor.
It's trying to be funny. I'm the funny one. Hello, Black. Okay. Basmati rice.
Into a pan.
Do you do anything with this?
It just says lemongrass stalk, so I'm guessing you just stick it in the pan and bring it to the boil.
And how much water?
300 ml.
300 ml of water.
Cold water.
Cold water.
That's what it said.
Shall we put hot water in? I'll be back in a minute.
He's over there.
The kitchen's so big, I get lost. 300 ml of water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bring to the boil over a high heat.
Okay. Put a small ring that's on full. I covered it. That's better.
Okay.
Ready.
Ready to go. Boil half a kettle.
Apple juice.
Yeah. You ready? Boil
Yeah.
half a kettle.
Well, this one.
Heat a large, wide-based pan, preferably non-stick,
Yep.
over a high heat.
Yeah.
Our pan. Put the rump steaks dry within kitchen paper. Oh, dry with kitchen paper, not within kitchen paper.
No problem. Yep.
And drizzle them with vegetable oil.
On both sides, presumably. Yep.
And season with a pinch of salt on both sides.
Massage your steak.
Mm-hmm.
Always good to make sure you get your steak in. Want a bit of salt?
Give a bit of salt.
Didn't come with salt.
No, you have to do your own salt and pepper.
Alright. I'd like a lot of salt.
Once the pan is very hot, add the steaks. Put the steaks into the pan. For rare, cook for 2 minutes max on each side. For medium rare, cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And if you like them the way Coral likes them, then you want to cook
Burn
them
them
for
for half an hour.
4 minutes on each side. Ooh, lovely.
Lovely.
Very nice. Peel or scrape the skin off with a teaspoon and finely chop or grate the ginger.
I'm not a great one for ginger either, but I like them.
Sorry if I'm shaking a little bit, guys.
Ginger.
The ginger. Reseed the pepper and scrape the seeds and the pith out with a teaspoon and cut into thin strips.
With the pepper?
Yep.
After the pepper?
After the pepper, you need to slice the red chilli into rounds.
You can see it or anything?
Doesn't say. Just says slice the red chilli.
That's great. It smells really nice.
It does smell nice.
Okay, so it just says slice this into rounds.
Yeah.
Then I think we're supposed to pop and close it.
You just move this back a little bit. Wow.
Okay. Alright, what are we doing?
Right, you've done the pepper.
I've done the pepper.
It's nothing to do until the steaks are resting.
Okay.
Once the steaks are out the pan and resting, you turn the pan to a medium heat with a drizzle of vegetable oil. Once it's hot, add the chopped ginger, chopped pepper and the Thai red curry paste.
Smell the lemon.
I can't smell the lemon. I'll show you the fresh chopped veggies. Wow. Looking really nice. You can really smell the lemongrass in the rice.
I'm just going to put the steak over. I'll take mine out. I can put it on the plate to rest.
Rest it on the plate to rest.
This was yours in the 3 minutes. You like yours like a burger, don't you?
I can't eat it if it's still moving.
Steak tartare, well done, please. Oh, the rice. Yep, the rice is out.
Right. Keep it covered and move it off the heat.
A little bit wet. I'll do it in a minute and then take it.
Right. Are you ready to take that
Yeah, I'm
one
ready
out?
for this. So I'll put this on your plate. Now what do we do, Dee?
Right, you need to remove the pan. Hang on. Return the pan to medium heat.
Medium heat, yeah.
Yep. With a drizzle of vegetable oil.
A drizzle of vegetable oil. This is sunflower.
Oh, that'll do.
What's a drizzle?
That'll do. That'll do.
That'll do.
Add the chopped ginger.
That's a bit too much oil in there.
Well, it did say a drizzle.
Yeah, my drizzle was a big drizzle, I think. There you go. So, what do we do?
Chopped ginger, chopped pepper, and the Thai red curry paste.
So not the chilli.
Doesn't say about the chilli.
Okay. So this is where I put it everywhere. Okay?
Yep.
And the Thai red chilli paste. This I need the glasses for. No, it's not yogurt. Thai red curry paste.
That's what I meant.
You said chilli paste.
I know, but I know what I mean.
Well, no one else does. So all this go in there.
Yeah. And then cook for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant.
So presumably we want to give it a stir then.
Yeah.
Can you see it to the camera?
What?
To the camera too?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that smells very
Right. Remove the coconut cream from the packet
yeah.
and chop it roughly. Oh.
That's a bit weird. I thought coconut cream would be cream.
Oh, you just thought.
No, I definitely need to get some.
This is where you need your boiling water coming out.
Is it?
Yeah.
So you've got to cut this.
Chop it roughly.
That's pretty weird. Okay. So just chunk it up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Dissolve the coconut cream and fish sauce in 200 ml of boiled water.
In boiled, is that hot enough for you?
I don't know.
200 ml
Of boiled water.
Yes, and what else is it?
And the fish sauce.
And the fish sauce.
Mhm.
And the fish sauce. This is soy sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, because
yeah.
they replaced it with the.
Okay, that's and you have 3 hands.
Good, isn't it?
Okay. Oh, that smells nice.
It does. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Right, that's your coconut stock. That.
God, you can smell the coconut.
Mm.
That water's hot
It's
enough.
going to boil up in there anyway, isn't it?
Okay, so what do we do now?
Then you add the coconut stock and the kaffir lime leaves to the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the peppers are soft.
And what about the chilies?
It's not mentioned the
What
chilies.
about the pineapple?
It's not mentioned that yet. I know what I'm doing.
Still getting quite involved.
It's going to dissolve in that pan now because it's still on a high heat. Well, it's coming down a bit now.
So pour this in then, yeah?
Yeah. And the kaffir lime leaf.
And the what lime leaf?
Kaffir. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it looks okay to me.
Okay, so these going?
Yep.
A bit of a... God, that smells really nice.
Mhm.
We want smelly vision. Okie doke.
I'll turn that up a little bit for you. Drain the pineapple and chop into bite-sized pieces.
The other side of the board. There's a chili there.
Ooh, that's for garnish.
For garnish?
Yeah. I hope you chop them thin enough.
They'll be fine. What's this for then?
So you're going to drain that and chop it into bite-sized pieces.
Yeah.
And add the chopped pineapple to the pan and cook for a further 3 minutes.
Okie doke.
And that is your Thai red curry. Oh, the smell. Oh my lordy.
In the bite-sized pieces.
Yeah. Don't forget my gob's not as big as yours.
Yeah.
Okay, add into the pan.
Add into the pan.
And cook for about 4 minutes. Or 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going American for the next bit.
No, we're not adding ketchup.
Strip the basil leaves from the stems. and discard the stems.
You want some basil in there, do you?
You want some basil.
So, we want I can never open these plastic things out. Indestructible plastic, I think they make these out of. So, what do you do with these?
You just take them off the, rip them off the stalks and dispose of the stalks.
Oh, that smells. Okay, yep.
Slice the rump steaks.
Slice the rump steak.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then serve them over the Thai red curry with the lemongrass rice to the side. Then you garnish with the chilli rounds and the basil leaves and enjoy.
Chilli rounds and basil leaves.
For a fancier presentation, press the rice into small bowls and turn out.
Okay.
Oh guys, this absolutely smells wonderful. Really does. Shall I go set the table ready for you to dish up? Here's your card.
Thank you. Yes, you can.
Okie dokie. Can't believe how good that smells.
It does smell really nice. So, I'll take the rice down. Now I will serve this. Okay, so we put a few chilies over the top. Basil. Get my sauce on, I think. And that is the Thai curry. Thanks for watching.